So Sundowns akere e korile 7 mara Siwelele le yone e korile 4. So hora hore for ya Siwelele a re bale go tshwana le hore Sundowns e winne 3-0, Pirates ke e winne 3-0, hora hore ba khantshetse 3 ya Sundowns.
Ay feeling hayi intso ndaqala uyiva phofu ke ndaqala noyibona engapha kwefeeling.
Go shubile.
Dear Hugo Bruce, I hope uyibhekile igame namhlanje mfethu. uPeterson uyayideserve iWorld Cup call up. Njengoba ubona ukuthi uRonwen Williams akasafuna ukuya kuWorld Cup. We can't afford to go to the World Cup with Ron Williams. Sishiye uPeterson. Ngithi nawami uChain bangamshiya nginandaba bathatha omunye ugoalkeeper but uPeterson kumele aye as long as no Williams angayi.
Igubhu zethu zonke leziyana nganitshela kahle ngathi buyisana igubhu zethu leza gubhu ezase Aaron nina nathini ngiyanibhedela ngono Eskom ngathi mina ngizonibonisa ukuthi ubani ongasebenzi ka Eskom ngafika ngayikhiphela mina yangangishoka futhi le yanto.
Sanibona, hope niyaphila. Orlando Pirates 3, Imagesi 0. Not a very entertaining game, but yeah, I don't think there's any coach who's trying to entertain us at this time of the season, honestly. Says entertain ama goal. Okubalekile manje ama results. Yeah, I think starting 11 say Orlando Pirates was very important for a game namhlanje. Whoever was gonna start namhlanje was gonna be very important for ama point and also for ama goal. Right? We know Gutu Moremi is injured. So I think it's the last starting 11 from their last game, by the way. Yeah, Ukaluma Khopa ahead of Umbutuma was a good decision, especially when you are assuming Guti Uchi Pezeze would be the goalkeeper of the day, which he wasn't, right? Umakhopa was going to come in very vital in dragging Lama defender, Emagesi, creating spaces for Ama wingers, and also come in handy for Ama headers. We are born in the presence of Uchipezes, but he wasn't there. Regardless, I think Umakhopa did Iroliake very well. Look at the goal that was scored by Utito. I think he eliminated about 3 defenders Lapaya and created a very wide space for Utito to do his magic and score that goal. So it was very important. Mina, I would have even played him for the entire 90 minutes. I think Orlando Pirates had a good central presence, sponsored by Lokuza, Utalent Mbata, and also with Umakaula, whom I think they interchanged that number 6 position very well, Katesa Dalo Makaula. There's a certain level of calmness that the Orlando Pirates displayed in today's game, which is commendable, right? We know them, it's Usain Bolt football, and sometimes to their own detriment, where they struggle to convert some chances inside the box. But today they looked very mature and very calm, which I think it helped them to manage the game very well. Created some chances, couldn't convert all of them, but Laba Convertile were enough to get them the right goal difference, especially in a game where they did not concede, right? I'm not sure why Magesi decided to make 8 changes in this game. Maybe they wanted to rest their key players for Ikemela and Delayo, knowing Guti they might not get to 3 points from this game anyways, I don't know. But I was very much impressed with the right back, Magesi. I think he has a very bright future ahead of him. You can see the fire on his face. But yeah, Simple Chain wasn't tested much on this game. But that one time he was tested, he showed up, right? Hence, I'm a clean sheet. I think man of the match for me was Usiema Nosbelebele, forever raising their hands, right? Not much from Oswina Police. Not much from Relemo Fokeng. That's the thing. When I watched the game, I was thinking sub of Urele, but then I was thinking, who do you put in? That is something that I've noticed from the Orlando Pirates side. Uguti, there is some poverty happening there on the bench. Of course, he made some changes, brought in Umsendami, brought in Udiong, brought in Umbutuma, whom I don't think they offered much in attack, right? So Orlando Pirates were looking for a 4th goal, but those changes really didn't do much. I think Udensin played well. He took my instructions very well from Musipo Chain, who was helping him there at the back, since he was interchanging that position with also Umbata, when Mbata was still on, and also with Umariko, whom I think played well. Yeah, let me know what you thought about this game. Wasn't a very entertaining one, but he was an effective one for the Orlando Pirates side who are in the league race. Let me know what you think.
Abafethu balifuna ukungithuka ningithuke mara niyabona la ubukhonyovu mningi umkhonyovu. Bheka manje idlala isiwelele neMamelodi Sundowns. Okay, bahlele phansi babona ukuthi okay noma singawina woyithula ama game solingana ngama point. Uyabo, then i-different kuzobe lama goal lawo, you understand? Yenzani Sundowns? Hayi lana khishiwe envelope laba fethu. Angifuni uqamba manga. Envelope ikhishiwe yokuthi Sundowns izoba nama goal adlula wePirates. Guys, abantu mngayise ngiyabazonda yebo, but le match le dlala namuhla abafethu. Khona isandla semfene. Khona isandla semfene ongiphikisayo makangiphikise bafethu. Phela lesiwelele lezi yiso lesi esawathwala iKaizer Chiefs kanzima. Like sashaya iKaizer Chiefs 2-0. Namuhla sovulela amagoli angaka. Njengoba ngikhuluma kuyi-6-2. Hayi bafethu, hayi ngazodlala ngathi nina. Nazodlala ngathi nithengile. Hayi nithengile.
Yabona season enye. Kufika dlala iChiefs neSundowns, athi ama-fans eChiefs cha, asiyazi iChiefs. Sasuka thina support iChiefs. Kusuka lapho yadlala iSundowns. Yasikora ama-goals awu-7. Kodwa still ama-fans akhona kwatile. Usathi ubabaza lokho, iSundowns ibhizi hope number 2. Kodwa ni number 1. Guys, into enjene yenzeka kanjani? Kisizini e1. Uthi usabaza lokho, uyabona usale ngiphambana kanje namatrophy ufana nse noMbappe. Kwaze kwakuningi she.
As much as it pains me to say this, Marabafethu, the league is gone. The league is gone. Angifuni ukusicambela namanga sithi hayi amathuba sase hayi it's try bafana. The league is gone. I can't believe that Abdeslam Mowadu is about to deliver the Betway Premiership to Orlando Pirates. And the into ebhlungu ukuthi we will be there when it happens. Anyways, another great display by Orlando Pirates, but ayikho into emangazayo ngalento eyenzekile. Into ebesivele silindele. Even though kunezinto nje ezincane la ezibe yindida. Mangithi ngiyayibuka kodwa ke asikho lapho manje. Ngasho ngathi i-injury kaMremi might be a blessing in disguise for uTito. Patrick Tito Maswangai gets yet another goal because with Rele moving to the left, him operating on that number 10 role, kuzombhenefitha lokho. Buka manje uhlalisa amadoda phansi washaya inet waphuma hamba. Salute to him. Sibelebele continues with his great form by getting a goal. I mean, the follower, I think we all know his quality. Upeti moto and the engine is service. His ability to run up and down on that right flank is second to none. Abeko baningi abantu abanale ability there. Salute to him for getting the goal. About the second goal, great finish. And lastly, Oswin Apolis uyohleza uMalume. He's my player of the season. Well deserved man of the match.
I phela manje supporting aside, we are fixing the country. We are united. Ronza, brawami, angithi uyazi ukuthi wena number 1 wethu. Like you know, we know, right? Aleya isaxoxisa. Okay, sharp. Mbethu, it is okay ukushaya ibhola sometimes. Just clear the ball out. Angeke sikublame. Siyakwazi ukuthi uNtswempu ngebuild up angeke sikublame. Akekho umuntu othi hey Ronza inkomo lokho vela khahlela ibhola. Just clear the ball mfethu. Just clear the ball please. Not all the time mfethu kumele ucinga ipass. No. Not all the time. Asomblief baba siyaku World Cup manje. Hayi.